Hey, how y'all doing? This is Miguel with Gator Metal Roofing and Mr. Thomas here in Mocksville, North Carolina. He has a two-tone roof. I don't know if y'all seen that before, but this is so beautiful. Now, I got a question for you, Mr. Thomas. What made you choose Gator Metal Roofing?
Because of the advertisement that you show, made me give you all the opportunity to come out and try your product.
Perfect. So what made you choose this color?
Well, we were debating first if we were going to do solid or mix, but the idea came to us, and we said that we'll give it a shot and see how we're going to come out, and it came out lovely. We love it.
Awesome. So how did the people do this morning as far as putting in your metal roof?
They did wonderful. I mean, the guys were very cooperative. They were really explanatory and everything. And he let me know exactly what they're doing step by step, so that if I see anything different, I can question it, you know. And if he don't have the answer, he'll call and get the answer from me. So everything went wonderful this morning.
Awesome, awesome. Would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to your friends and neighbors?
Anybody that wants a metal roofing, contact me. I surely will give Gator Roofing.
All right, thank you.